Welcome once again. Let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, Tonic, since the beginning of this year, we believe by now we should have more exchange listing than before. Okay, but I think yes, they've managed to still maintain where they are. They managed to keep this coin going. They managed to keep this coin growing now. But this is the right time. I think Tectonic token needs at least these three exchanges I'm about to mention, because these three exchanges, they might not be the top 3, top 5 exchanges, but they have really helped so many small cap coins, so many small coins to really grow. Yes, I've checked record of this exchange. So I think Tectonic developers, they need to work towards this exchange if they really want to survive more, if they really want to see this coin increases, if they really want to see this coin pump more. They should work with these exchanges. These three exchanges, they will really bring a lot of impact on Tectonic token. Okay, now for me, these exchanges I believe they should work is one, Bkex. Wow, Bkex have really helped Shiba Doge. Bkex have also helped a lot of coins from Shiba Doge to fake token, even though after fake token really changed. Bkex has been there supporting fake token, and right now Bkex is one of the exchange that have been helping Shiba Doge to continue to increase in price, and they have millions of global customers, and they also control millions of dollars on spot trading on the daily volume. And the next one is Bitmery. Yes, Bitmery is one of the exchange also that they are among the top ranked exchange in the world, and they have been supporting many small cap coin. If Bitmery lists Tectonic token, we are going to gain more followers, we're going to gain more community, more market cap, more trading volume. Of course, it will help Tectonic token to really increase in terms of price, in terms of market cap. And the third is Uniswap V2. Now, Uniswap V2, so many coins has been listed on Uniswap V2. Most coins, first of all, you see them on Uniswap V2. Yes, Uniswap V2 is one of the top exchanges that always help so many coins, and I believe as of before, you can buy Shiba Doge on Uniswap V2 only for months, including most coins you see out there, before other crypto exchanges start listing such coins. Now, Uniswap, I'm surprised to see that Uniswap V2 are yet to partner, are yet to list Tectonic token up till now. But this is an exchange that lists most coins earlier. Sometimes you see a new coin, out of 10 new coins, you see that Uniswap V2 have actually listed about 8 of these coins. So that tells you how they have been supporting many small cap coins, and yet Tectonic token is not listed on Uniswap V2. So getting Uniswap V2 listening should be one of the priorities, should be one of the targets, should be one of the goals, should be one of the achievements they need to get right now before the end of this year 2023. So I believe that these three exchanges can help Tectonic token to really increase in price. But please remember this on the financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.